Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add passcode protection to the iPhone. From the home screen, open Settings, scroll down and select Face ID and Passcode. You can use Face ID instead of a passcode or just use passcode protection. Tap Turn Passcode on and enter a passcode, for example 123456. Note that this passcode can be guessed easily, but I'll use it anyway. Verify the passcode by entering the same combination. Press the side button and now to unlock the device you need to enter the passcode. Enter the passcode to access your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.